Hi, if you are brownie lovers, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make my two favorite brownies, the caramel walnut and the pretzel cream. So first, listen up. These are the things that you're going to need. You're going to need a muffin pan for 12. You will need 2 boxes of milk chocolate brownie mix of your choice. Get them at any store. You will need 4 eggs. You will need 2 1/4 cup of cooking oil, 2 1/4 cup of chocolate instant pudding, a half a cup of extra creamy whipped cream, 1/4 cup of water. Now, this recipe, I call it double up because I'll actually be making 6 brownies that are caramel walnut and 6 brownies that are pretzel cream. You're going to set your oven at 350, and depending on the oven you have, you may have to make some adjustments. For this recipe, it's going to call for 350 oven temperature for 35 minutes. But don't forget to do the toothpick test to see if they are done. If they are not, just kind of leave your own judgment on when they will be done and use the toothpick test again. Now first, you're going to get probably a medium or large size bowl. You are going to take your 2 brownie mixes and you're going to put those in the bowl, and then also you're going to put in the bowl the 2 1/4 cup of chocolate instant pudding. These are your dry mixes. So once you mix all that up, you're going to add your 4 large eggs. You're going to add your 2 1/4 cup of cooking oil, and then you're going to then add the last ingredient, which would be 1/4 cup of water. Now, when you mix it, you're going to know it's going to be a little stiff, and that's okay. But you still should get to a point where you have a good stiff mixture. And when you see that happening and forming, you're then going to add your 2 1/4 cup of extra creamy whipped cream. And once you mix that, you should get a good cream mixture. Then you go to your muffin pan. If you decide to use the baking cups, that's fine. If not, that's fine. You then are going to fill in your muffin cups, your muffin pan, with the brownie mixture. You're going to bake at 350 for 45 minutes. Do a temperature check at 35 and then adjust your temperature if you need to, or do the toothpick test when done. Once done, have your cooking sheet to take your brownies out immediately out of the muffin pan using some sort of utensil that you have. Once they cool off, while they're cooling off, the next thing you're going to do for the caramel, you're going to take probably half bag of the caramel that you can get at any store, little caramel, little squares. You're then going to put in probably about a tablespoon of milk, and it could be any 1%, 2% of whole milk, doesn't matter. And once you heat that in your microwave, you're going to get a good cream to stir the caramel. As you're doing that, you've already have your walnuts, which you've already chopped. And then you're going to lay those on top of the brownies and then pour your caramel on top of the walnuts that you strategically place on top of each brownie muffin. And then there you have your caramel walnut. Now, for the pretzel cream, you're just going to break up the pretzels that you have already put aside, and then make your powdered sugar cream. And you could do that with also with milk, a full 2 cups, a cup to a cup and a half, until that's really creamy. Pour in your pretzel pieces, stir in, then pour that on top of each of the other 6 brownies. So